Hello, good morning everyone. How are you doing? You're welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be teaching you how you can design a Bitcoin investment website. But before I move forward, let me introduce myself to you. My name is Adidapo Michael Sunday. You can search me on Google. My name is Adidapo Michael Sunday, and I'm a student of Adekunle Ajasi, and by God I'm a web designer, and I study accounting. I'm studying accounting rather. And so in this tutorial, I'll be teaching you how you can, design a Bitcoin website like this, whereby you can put in different package you want people to donate to, and at the same time, people can invest and make their profit, and it's very, very robust. Let me take you to the back end of this site so you can actually see what I mean. Let me take you to the back end of this site. Now can you see, this is how the back end will look like, and the lights. So though I'm not saying you should come and invest with these people with this site too. I'm not saying you should come and invest, I'm just actually telling you. So now let's go on and now see how we can also design a site like this. So what we need to do first is I will need to come and create a subdomain. But in case you are buying a new domain for your store, you can actually just click on the domain. But now I needed to create a subdomain because of it. So let me just say this one is Bitcoin training 1, and let me create Bitcoin training 1. So let me just pause this video for you to create. Now guys, the stuff is already installed. Now what we need to do is already created. Now what we need to do is just to go back. So we go back to our dashboard, just click on see panel. The thing I've already created. Now we go back to our file manager to upload the script we'll be using to design this website. So just come here and click file manager. In case you don't, this is file manager. Just click on it. So once you click on it, it will take you to this place. Now in this place, if you are using your own normal domain, just come, you see something like public HTML. This is it. This is where you click and upload your script. But in this one, I'm using subdomain, and the subdomain I'm using is Bitcoin training 1. So I'll just scroll up. This is it. This is Bitcoin training 1. I will double click on it. Take me to this place. Now the first thing that if you are using script to design a website, what you need to do is you click on all, select all, and you delete everything. You don't need them. Delete everything. You don't want to see them at all. So once you delete everything, you reload. Now you now come and upload your script. Now you click on this place to upload your own script. And the reason why is because script does not, you select file. Can you see this is the Bitcoin script? Click on it and click on open. So once you click on open, it will take a little time to upload. Once it's upload, we are done. So let me pause this video and wait for this script to upload. So guys, this script has already been installed. Now all we need to do is just to click on go back to home. So if you look at this place, you realize that this script is already installed in this place. Now what you need to just reload. But another thing I want you guys to know is that once you see this kind of thing, click on it. You need to extract it and come to extract here. Can you see this extract? So once you click on it, it will extract. Yeah, just click on extract file. Good of you. So within talking of an eyes, can you see the script is automatically extract. So if you actually copy this site, Ctrl C, and you come to this place, let me click on a new tag, and let me take this new tag to this place. Now you come to this place and you paste it, you see server error. Can you see why? Now what we need to do is that we need to go and install this thing. The script, we have actually uploaded the script here, but we have not installed it, and because of that it will be saying server error, and that is why we need to go and do this thing. Now let's come here. Just come to this place, put // install, and press enter. Can you see? Now it takes us to this place, license to be used, blah blah. All you just need, just click on agree and next step. So once you click on agree, it will show you some things you are going to do. All you need, but thank God our hosting is a good one. So click on next one. Now it will also show you what you need to do. Some permission. Yes, you need to do a lot of permission. The first permission we are going to do is that it said call, bootstrap, cache. You need to go and give them permission, and the permission code is 0775. Copy the permission code and come to your cPanel here. Can you see? Call, bootstrap. Let me check again. Call, bootstrap. Yeah. You click on bootstrap again. Cache. Can you see? You click on it and you click on come to this change permission. Now what you need to do is just to click here, because the permission code is 775. So just click here alone. Can you see it change 775 and click on change permission. Now go back to your site again. By the time you refresh, you come here and recheck again. Can you see it has marked that one? Now we also move to another one again. Call, storage. We change the permission again. Let's go fast. Let me go back. We are going to storage, right? Going to call, storage. Yeah, this storage. And if I will change the permission to 775, because we need to watch what everything is in. Call, storage, change permission. So just click on this storage and right click, change permission. Click on the middle. What you just click on the middle, change permission again, and you come to this place again. I want to do everything as one. Call, storage, app. 0775 again. Just come here again. Click on the double click on the storage. Click on app. Right click on the app. Change permission again, and just change it here. Change permission, making it like that. So let's come here again. If you want to check the two we have done, just check. But I want to do everything at once before. Can you see? So it remains to call, storage, framework. Let's go there again. Call, storage, framework. This is it. Right click, change permission. Change permission. The last one is call, storage, log. Just come here again. Call, storage, log. Right click on this, change permission, and click on this and click on change permission. Then you will recheck now. Wow, it's done. I need to move. Now what we need to do now is that we need to put our username and we need to create our database. So first thing we need to do is just to come. You need to go and create our database, because that is one of the benefit of use. Well, that's one of the things about script. If you are using script, you need to do what? You need to make sure you create a database. But if you are using WordPress will automatically create a database for you. That is the difference between them now. Now how do we go? Let's go back to our cPanel. Let's go back to this panel. Just click search for. Let's search for database. Now we need to come and create our own database. Now guys, let me hold on, but I want to keep it. So like I was saying, guys, yeah, sorry for the disturbance for that. Now you click on your MySQL and database wizard. So once you click on it, now what you need to be very careful. That reminds me, guys, before you continue, please try to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please, I'm actually begging you guys. Thank you very much. I really love you. So now let me open a what is it called? A folder where I will be keeping my details, because here you need to be very careful here. Yeah, guys, I've opened a file now whereby everything I'll be doing, I'll put in it here. Now, for the sake of this thing, if you want to create a database now, you need to put any name there. So let me just put Bitcoin. So once I put Bitcoin here, I click on next step. So let me just copy. Okay, no, next step. Now once you click on next step, it will take you to this place, and this is the place it asks you for create a database user. If you wish to use database user, but for me I don't wish, I will use another name. Just let me just use Dleading. And by God's grace, I'm the CEO of Dleading Web Design, so you guys can actually contact me. So I'll just copy the username. And if you ask for my password, now I will not use my own, I will use password generator. And if you ask me, have you copied this one? Now what I need to do is I will just click on this, Ctrl C. Now okay, I've copied it, and I will come back to this place, and I just put password, and just Ctrl V. Then I will tell I have copied this password in a safe place. Use password. Can you see? And I will click on create user. Then the next one, let me save this password. Though I don't need this website, but let me just save it. Now the next one is that it will ask me safety add user to database. Now one thing that is one of the very things you need to be very, very careful about is that these two things, you need it because you will need it in this place. In this place you will definitely need it. So what we need to do now is just come here and copy this user, copy it, Ctrl C, and come to this place and paste it. And you come here again, database, you copy it again, and you come here, you paste it. Don't forget this is our password. Now we move forward. Now one thing, after copying all this thing, you now click on all privilege, which means you are giving all privilege to every one of these things, because this is one of the things that will make it to function. After that, you now click on next step. Guy, you are about to free. Can you see? Everything is done. There, guy, you are free to go. In this training, I'm going to take you step by step, and you will enjoy this training. Within a talking of a night now, you will see everything will be done. Now you come back to this place. It will ask you. One of the things it will ask you here is that, okay, what is the website URL? Automatically it will have put in the website URL. What name do you want to use? You can use any name, but let me just use Dleading. Sorry, I love Dleading so much. So you come here again, you can also put Dleading again. So guys, if you stay tuned to the end of this video, I have a gift for you. Do you know this script costs a lot of money, but I'll be giving you at a token amount of money. Just follow me. In fact, you will enjoy this and you actually love it. Now what is our database detail? Number one is a database name. You're gonna just come here. What's our database name? Here is it. Copy it. Ctrl C. Come here and paste it. Database user. Come here again. That is username. Just come here again. Ctrl C and paste it. Now database host. Anytime you are here, just click on local host. Database password. Don't forget the password to copy here. This password. Ctrl C. And come here. Put the password. Then guys, we move forward. If you want to have an email address, you can put anything you want. Let me use this one. So you click on install now. So can you see complete installation? Now from here, let's go to our website. Can you see this is our website? This is the website now on Bitcoin One. So within a token, within a token now, can you see the site is already done? Now we need to set it up and do some other things again. Now let's set it up and let's just edit it. Now let's go back to, actually I should open it in a new tab, but let me just go back. Now let's go to the admin. Let me open it in a new tab, admin, and let's go back to open. So this is our admin panel. Now it will ask me to log in. So by default, everything will be admin. The password will be admin by default. You can change it later and log in. Can you see now? I'm in my dashboard. It's asking me that I must change my password after everything. I'll just say okay. But since I'm not interested in all this, let me just save this one. Now, current set to automate a return interest. We need to set up the current job and make sure the current job running properly. Blah blah blah. All these things you actually don't need it, but just copy it and let me just click it. Actually, I don't need it. Now, all we need now here, we are here now to do our editing. Let me paste what I copy here so that I will keep. Eventually, maybe I'm saying to do anything, but I don't need it. I'm just doing it for a training sake. Now, since I'm in my dashboard now, anything you want to do, you can actually do them. Now, what we need to do firstly is we need to change some things. We need to do our editing, and I will teach you how we can edit our home page, everything here by special grace of God. Now, firstly, let's take this thing step by step. Now, what does mean we want to do a plan? Because if you look at this site, there is a plan. There's a plan here. But if you look at this one, there's nothing like plan. Which means we need to create our plan. And the reason why there's nothing like plan is that we need to create our plan by ourselves. Because now, first thing we need to do is this. Come to this place. Come to this plan management. The first thing you need to do is just come to the plan. Once you click on plan, now it will ask you, I see no data form. Now, firstly, add a new. Let's add new plan. Now, what is the plan name? Let's call it sliver. What is the range? Now here you can see two. Can you see either fixed or range? Which means, do you want it to be a fixed amount of money? If yes, how much is it? And do you want it to be from one particular range, maybe like $100, $500, or like that? So we use range because in most investment they usually use range. What is the minimum amount? You just put $100. And what is the maximum amount? Let's just say $500. Now, return on interest. Wait, what is the return that they will be getting on the interest? On the interest, just say, people need money. Just put 50%. Let's say 25% for now. 25%. On how many? Is it every hour or every day or every week? Just put every week. It's calling me now. Sorry, I need to put this call. I'm sorry for the call. For the disturbance. Sorry, I used to receive call. Now people want money. 25% every week. Now then what we need to do is that return. Is it for lifetime or just for a period of time? No, you just click for lifetime. As they keep on baking, patronizing with us, they keep on getting their stuff. Now is it that when they want to withdraw their money, do they get all their capital back, or you don't want them to withdraw their capital back? You only want them to withdraw their interest? Yes, no. Only interest. And if you want yes. Status, do you want it to be disabled or active? You want it to be active. Feature, do you need any other feature again? You can say no, and you can say yes. It depends on whatsoever thing you want. If you need any other feature, say yes and click on save changes. Save rather. Now, if you scroll back to this your plan list, you just click on, probably you click on plan list. Can you see we have one here? And if you come to this our website and you refresh, Control, and you scroll down, you see that we have one plan. Can you see? We have one plan already. So let's go and do. Maybe let's just create like 2 or more, so that you can actually know how to go. But let me close this one. Okay, let me close it here. Now let me add another name again. Let me call that one good. What is the name? Let's say good. is it range? Yes, we want it to be range, not fees. From where? From $500 to how many? For to $1,000. Now return on investment, let's call this one 50%. People need money. How many days? Every hour, let's say every week. Return for lifetime. Capital back, no. Status, activities, and just that is all. I will just do one again, and let's just go to plan list again. I will add another one again. Leave the last one. Actually, you can add as many as possible in your own case, but because of this thing, I don't want it to be long. Let's just call it, what can we call it again? Silver, gold, diamond. Let's say diamond. Range, yeah, $1,000 to $2,000. Okay, $2,000. Interest is 75%. I don't know how some people will be free and they still invest in every day. Deposit every week. Lifetime, yes. Capital back, no. BC status, enable active and active, yes. So click on save. So you check your plan list. You see, I see your plan list is there. So we are done for that. Now, having been done this, now we need to let's go and refresh our site and see it. Now, you know we have one here. Let me just put on refresh. Can you see now that they are theory now? Then let's go back to the back end of our site, to our admin. So now, since we have created our plan now, what we need to do is to come to deposit. Yeah, that's the major one. So just click on automatic deposit. Now, these are the payment gateway on our site. Payment gateway on our site. These are all the payment gateway on our site. Now, can you see everything is active? But we can't actually use everything. How will we be using all these? All these payment gateway. Look at them. They're like at least there are plenty. Can you see? But despite the fact that they are active, but now that doesn't mean that we have already searched them. Which we need to search them. If you come and check this site now. Oh, let me show you what I mean. Is it possible for someone to be using all these payment gateways? These are them. Anyway, you want to use it. But for the purpose of this training, I will just teach you how to go about it. Though I will not set it up for you. I will teach you how you can set it up, because I will not be. It's just a training, and I will not be putting any of my code here because I don't want to do it. Now, let us mean you don't need paper, but I don't use it. I will disable it. I will come here and disable it for now. But if you need it, in case you need it, I will teach you how to go about it. Now, let us mean you need it. You don't want to disable it. You just come to here. Okay, let us mean perfect money. Now, let us mean I need it. I will just click on edit. Once I click on edit, it will ask me to select currency, USD. Add me. Now, mind you, if you want to use perfect money, you go to your perfect money account dashboard. You register with them. You get your alternate passphrase. You get it here. Once you get it, you come and paste it here. This is just by default. There's nothing. This is just anyway. They have put anyone there. They have already put a default one there. For you, you go to your dashboard and get your alternate passphrase here. But in case of this training, I don't need it now. In this place now, you put your logo here. Let me just go and download perfect money picture. Perfect. Let me pause the video and download it. Now I've downloaded the picture. I even downloaded this start also. So let me just come back to this. This is our thing. Just come in, just click on this. You put a picture here. Perfect one. Just don't, in case you want to use something good, but for the purpose of this training, I'm just using any our picture I see. Can you see? Name of the gateway, you put it here. Perfect one. And what is the minimum amount? The minimum amount is let's just say $100. and the maximum amount I think maximum is $2,000. That is the last range. You check here. What we do is now you check here. See that our last plan is $2,000. So $2,000. So please charge. You want to charge interest per any amount? Just say yes, I want to charge interest. How much do you want to charge? Let's say $10 per interest. Percentage, if you want percentage. So if you want a fixed charges, if it's $10 you want to be charging, fine. And if you want to do it in a percentage of the amount they deposit, maybe if they are depositing 100,000 now, $100 rather, you collect 10% on it. If you are doing 500,000, for 10% of it. Anyhow, if either use fee or percentage, just use them. So in case you can use any of it, let me clear here. If you want to use fee, use here. If you want to use percentage, use here. Now currency, which currency do you want to use? You want to be using dollar. I don't actually have a dollar keyboard here on my keyboard. So just put a dollar keyboard, and you can even use it. You can even leave it alone like that also. Now rate $1 is equal, $1 is equal to 1. Just put it like that and come straight down here. Now what you need, that you come and put your PM wallet, your PM wallet link, that where they will pay the money to. You come and put it here. So once you put the wallet, your wallet link here, it's like your Bitcoin wallet. If you are using a Bitcoin, if you want to, maybe you want to, I don't know, maybe you are into cryptocurrency, you want to buy a coin from one of your friends, you pay to the friend, you send your Bitcoin wallet to him, and automatically your friend will automatically credit you. That is the same thing. You put your wallet here, and once you put your wallet here, let me just copy any fake PM wallet. Just come here and say fake PM wallet address. This one. Just copy it. Let me just copy it. So I'm waiting for it to load, so I can just actually copy it. This is just, don't forget it is fake. Don't forget it is fake. You paste it here, Control V, and you set update settings. Okay, if you want to, just put 10 here also. I forgot it. 10 update setting. Now can you see it's done? Everything is set, it's done. Then we need to go back again. Go back again, and you come to, if you want to do Stripe again or Pay Stack, let me just try Pay Stack again and edit Pay Stack. Now you put your picture, select currency. Mind you, okay, you can also use USD, right? I thought there was a time Pay Stack does not allow USD and the like. It only allows what you call Nigerian. Only is in Nigeria. Now, if you want to configure this type of one, now don't forget that you will need to copy your Paystack live secret key. In case you need how to go about this. And I actually have a masterclass on my web design whereby I actually teach you how you can copy your public secret key and your own secret key. I actually thought about that in my web design masterclass. You see a lot of how to design different type of website, and there's no how you want to design an e-commerce website that you will not actually need Paystack or another payment gateway. So in that video, I teach about how you can go about them step by step till you set it up to the fullness. So, and this, if you actually need it, you can actually chat me up or give me a call on 09035382271. And at the same time, my name is Adilako Michael. Now, once you have a public secret key, you copy it, you paste it here. You have your secret key also. We have public key and we have secret key. You put your public key here and you put your secret key here. So once you do that, click on update setting, or probably no, click on add new rather. Sorry. You click on add new. Don't forget. Just click on add new. to set up the minimum you want to be. Now this is it. You put the picture here. I think I have to put that picture. I think I have. Yeah, this is just for the for since what is the name? This start. No. This what is the range? 100 maximum 200. Come here, put 10 10 10. You get quality 10 and the fee charges and percentage charges 10. One is equal to 1 USD. I don't have a USD sign on my keyboard, so you can actually leave it alone. And once you are done, just click on update setting. But don't forget that you need to put in your guys. I need to put a currency symbol here, but I think I don't have it. So you just need to go over. Let me do it. Let me just put anything there. So actually, let me put anything. So in case the keyboard has a currency, let me just put a sign. Okay, yeah. I didn't know I have a sign dollar on my keyboard. I'm just saying it. Just update. Okay, the name of the store. Payment paste tag. And you come here, put a picture. And click on open. And automatically click on update setting. And if the paste tag has been updated, now you click on go back. That perfect mode I think is. Now let me show you. I needed to show you some things. So you can actually scroll down. Let me refresh to bring the voice there. Yeah. Now can you see place tag is 1? I realize that this perfect money doesn't do, because if it does, it should be 1 here. I have to activate 1. But because I didn't put sign, I could do. I think it shows something like sign and like that. Select currency. Let me do it again. Select currency. Don't forget to put your alternative passphrase here and click on admin. And to get it, I tell you, you need to go to your perfect money dashboard, and it's very easy to get. No problem about that. So once you click on admin, let's wait for it to load. So I'll just do one or add another one again to it so that you guys can see how I'm doing it. Let me pause this video for it to load because of time. Yeah, it's shown now. So the network. So now don't forget, you need to put your picture here. Like I'll download one picture there like the other time. So let me just put this one. Now the name of the store is perfect money. Come back here. How much is the minimum? 100, maximum 2,000. This charge 10. Percentage charge. Here, make sure you ask your client. It depends on what your client said, though. Don't just do anything for him. Sorry. Don't just do anything for him. Make sure it depends on your client. So if your client said, now you put $1 is equal to $1. There's nothing like that. So make sure you ask your client. And don't forget, I told you that you just put your perfect money wallet here. I think I have a copy here. Yeah, I did it. And click on update. So let me just set one again. And so when I set one, I'm done with this video like that. So go back so that it show 1. Now it show 1. Let's look at. If you want to do filter wave the same way, or it is stripe. I think there is stripe also. Yeah, it is stripe. You go for it also. But if you want to use stripe, the best stripe is don't use this one. Don't use this one. This one is not the best. The best stripe is stripe checkout, which is this. Yeah, this is it. Just click on edit again. That is the best stripe that you can use. And click on. Now don't forget, you also copy your secret text and public key, publishable key, and your webhook or endpoint secret. All these things are very, very easy to go about it. So once you are here, you want to do this for your client, just tell your client that your client should supply you all this stuff. But if I want to do it for my client, I used to ask them, give me this, give me that, give me this, give me that. Now once you open it, do I have a Stripe picture? Let me use any picture. I can't go and download Stripe again. Since I'm actually using it for training sake. So let me just put that picture there. Let me put Stripe. And just see Stripe is 10, percentage charge is 10, and we are using dollar. And $1 is also $1. So you click on update. So that is what we have done in the area of. And if you try to check out and been updated successfully, before you click on go back. So let me just don't want you to do all that there again. Talk about manage user. If you have a user, this is where you'll be seeing all your user. This place is talking about everyone that registered on your website. Their name will be, their details will be here, everything will be here. Deposit system. Now we have talked about the deposit system whereby you can, and they also want to withdraw. They'll be the one to withdraw by themselves, and you can actually specify what method of anything, what are the method you will, what are the withdrawal method you want, maybe the withdrawal method you use, and just come here and say, okay, the withdrawal method you use is this. I use, maybe probably you use free stack or anything. Just come here, put the picture here, put the method here, and let me just try to do one for you guys. It's like the same way of, let's say, free stack. Put the method name, currency you use dollar. Who is this person calling me again? Oh, sorry, let me pause this video. Now $1 will be $1. Don't forget. And processing time, I just tell them to take 2 to 3 days. I mean, let's say 3 days, maximum 3 days. I don't want to collect this money. We will not be waiting for 3 days. Let's say processing time will be 1 day. This 1 day. If I have to withdraw now between 1 day, what is the minimum amount of money they can withdraw? Let's say they can withdraw. Who is calling me? Sorry. The maximum amount now you can just say, okay, let's say they can withdraw that $200,000 and fees charge. Now, how much do you want to charge for helping them? Let's say you want to be charging for withdrawing, you'll be charging $20 and fees are charging 20% also. Now, do you want to instruct them on anything? Okay, just say, okay, see, guys, if you want to instruct them for you to withdraw, maybe you can just say, okay, this is for you to withdraw, because you follow the necessary process. And just see, for you to withdraw, make sure you follow the necessary process. Next week, that is it. And so when you do this thing, what they will be saying at the back end is this thing. But since I don't need all these things, I know it will be, but you know how to do it by yourself. So what do I need to do? I'll just click on save method. Oh, I think I have the picture to use. Let me just I see now it has been done. So I've put a method. If I also want to add another method, maybe I want them to also use Stripe to add the withdraw. I want them to use PayPal that withdraw. I can do it. That is it. But for this, if you want to add another method, just call me and say the another method would be, let me just try to add one, because it's not possible for them to really have one. Money store, I'll just put perfect money. Perfect money. Currency is dollar. One USD dollar is 1. Processing time is 1. And minimum amount they can you just use the minimum amount is $100, maximum is $2,000, fixed charge is 20. It's better on what your client said in your client specification, and you scroll down here and click on free method, which means you have two methods of withdrawing. The delay fee is required. If you like, also you can put anything for the sake of this. I think everything is set. All we need to do is just to click on save changes. The instruction feed is super. Oh yeah, if you are using private name, they need to, you can put an instruction feed here. Oh, let me just put just tell them wait for your withdrawal in the next 1 day. In the next 1 day, you get your withdrawal. You get your money. Next withdrawal, money. So all you need to do is now. Let's go save method. So once we do this one, we are done. Everything is set now. Can you see we have two methods now? Now there's something I want to show you guys here in deposit money. Just come to this place. We have set like 3 methods, right? All those methods that we are not using, we are going to disable them. Disable this one, yeah. We don't want them again. Every method, so that it will only be 3 that will be on our stock. Each and again that we don't want. All this one, we don't want them. We don't want you for now. Go and rest. So let me pause this video and disable all of them. Yeah guys, I've changed everything now. Now what we need to do again is, since we have done it, if you come to our website, let's refresh again. Control, you see that the method of payment, can you see, it's just 3 now. These are the 3 method of payment we'll be using. So let's go back to our dashboard. So in this place, if you want to change anything, you add new, you want to change the profile, you can do anything here. Anything you want to change, the name, the email, the username and the password, you can do a lot of things there. So if you want to change your picture from any other thing, you can do it here. So let's clear this place. Now what we need to do now is just to scroll down. Now let's go down to our logo icon. Now let us mean you have a logo. Can you see? You come here and put your logo. What logo can I say? You come here and put your logo and your function. But actually I don't have a logo. If you want to put a logo, let us assume I want to put a Pista logo, perfect logo. You come here and select logo, do this one there, and you open it. And you come here also, function. I'm not sure I have can have done it. You just put your logo and see. I don't like to use keys for it. Just save changes like that. You just go down and update. Your logo has been changed. Now what next again? Now you come to this your manage page. You come to, so all these 3 places, don't even go there. You come to this your manage, either you come to this manage page or you come to this session manage. Just come to manage page. No, can you see now in this place we have home and we have about us. Now let me just show you another thing again. You can also do it from here again whereby, let me scroll down. Can you see this is every section in the website? Every section in the website. This is about us. Every section you can change. This place section now is about us. Let me show you the place. You come to this place. Now you come to this place. This about us section. Can you see? And this section also. So this section. So you can actually change everything, change the picture. Maybe you don't want the picture, heading about us, more information about them. But here, I do anything you want to appear, anything you want to. Can you see? We are international based financial currency. And the beauty of this thing is that, can you see? We are international based on financial currency. And the beauty of this is that you can actually edit it with your phone. You can actually edit it to your phone, and after finishing editing, you click on submit. That is all. Now let me show you. I actually want to show you something. Now let's go to our section page. Now let's click on this manage page. Now you see a lot of things here. Just come here and click on this edit. If you want to add a new page, come here and add a new admin. But for this one, I don't need actually need anything. Now, in this place now, you see a lot of things here. A lot of things here. Now, everything you don't like in this place, you can actually remove it and put it here. Remove them. Now, one of the things is that this page is too cumbersome. It's too much. So I don't want why should they? I will want this one. This section, I don't want this section here. Profit calculation. I can actually leave it, but I don't want it. To me, if you want it, you can leave it there. Frequent question, I will leave this one. What people say about us, I will leave it. I don't want our members. I don't want them to be on the site. Our members, latest deposit. Okay, our top investor, I don't want them. Our latest news, I don't want them. Subscribe to our nation, I don't want them. So what I will do now is I will just come back to this place and say, okay, why should the plan, how it works, testimonial, good, team member, I don't want it. Transaction section, top investor, I don't want it. We have said blog, I don't want it. Subscriber section, I don't want it also. I don't want it. Now, and I will update. So once I update, you come to this page and refresh. Now you see now that what we have is our about us, our stuff, investment plan, why choose us, profit calculation, how I did work, how it works, frequently asked questions. Yeah, leave it here. What people say about us, can you see? And get started. That is call to action. And I will even take it away. I don't really. Can you see now? And anything you don't want here, you take it away from that place. And anything you want, you put it there. So from there, let me just show you how you can actually. Let us say you want to edit about us here. You click on this place, and like I said earlier, I said you can do it on your phone. You click on this place, and you see you put anything you want to, the picture you want to put here, the details, the content you want to put there. You put it after finishing it. After putting it here, you click on submit. After that, come back again. Let me have submitted. So I will come back again and go back again. Okay. Let me click on. Let me scroll down. I will scroll down again. I click on manage page and I click on home. Now what I will do in this place again, this time around again, anything I want to edit. See, if I want to edit maybe why scissors or plan, or I've already plan. Profit calculator. If you want to do anything, click on it and click on open a new tab, so that you will not be going back and coming back again. profit calculator. You must know how to calculate it. Anything you want to put here, just put it there, and you do automatically click on submit. You will see it here. This profit calculator stuff. Profit calculation. This. Can you see this stuff? And you must know how to. Can you see? This. You must know how to do it. When you are done with it, click on submit, and after that, you automatically update. And if you don't want this thing again, I'll show you how you can remove it. Can actually call. You don't want if you don't want profit calculation on your site, actually come to this place and come to this place and close it. So anything you want to edit, maybe you want to edit this one also. Just subscribe to our newsletter. If you don't want it, fine. If you want it, fine. And after that, you come down here and click on save changes. So let's close it. No, we're done for that again. Now, if you want any other thing again, maybe you want people to be sending you want an SMS store, anything, your SEO. Yeah, one of the things you need to just come here if you want, because SEO is very, very important. That's what we make Google to see you. Now, anything you want to rank for, any keyword you want to rank for, just put it here, and you can come here and change your logo to your company logo. So when they are searching for you, they will be seeing your company logo or the picture you put here. That's what you should put here. Anything you want to rank for, maybe you want to rank for best investment company, best clinic, and just come here and say investment. Enter. Another one again. Just you keep saying anything you want, anything you want here. Just put it here. So that is what you will be ranking for. I hope you're getting it. So it does mean I want to answer another thing. I just say okay, investment. Okay, I think I've talked about that. Comma. Yeah, you make sure at the end of everything, once you are finishing what you are ranking for, you put comma. So I also put another one again. Because I want to rank for best company, best company, or anything. I'll put comma again. Can you see? And so you just keep them putting it there. Then you will now come and put your meta description. What is meta description? Let me show you what meta description means. Let me come to my website, deleading. I'll just come to this place, dleading.com. Can you see when you click on? Okay, let it load. Oh, there's something I want to show you. Okay, let me open a new incognito. Oh no, let me use it again. Let me use it. Can you see now? It's showing the best web design company in Ibadan. Now what you need to do is that this is the meta description. Meta description is the best web design. Now if you come to this site, where's the home page of this site? If you are typing, let us say I'm typing Bitcoin, and it's not showing any meta description. So because we have not actually put the SEO stuff here, then you come here and you put your meta description here. So once you put your meta description here, automatically, and what do you want people to be seeing you as a social title? Put it there, maybe the Taiwan Co investment company, clinical investment company, Ade investment, anything, just put it there. So you need to ask the client and ask them how to go about. I feel like I know how to go about it. HYB lab complete, put anything here again. After once you are done, click on update. So automatically it's done. So maybe you guys want to be having an holiday setting. Maybe you'll be having an holiday. Maybe by just for Christmas, you want to be having an holiday. Just come here, click on it. You want to do an email. You want to do an email template. Maybe whereby once they come here, automatically they will send a mail to them and they like. You come here and do anything. This site, you are opening it in a new tab. Now you come here. Which water template do you want to use? Come out, or can you use auto deposit? However, when they deposit, the stuff is actually send them a mail. that this thing is automatically unique, or maybe when they register, the site will actually send them a mail that please verify your email address, stuff like, just stuff like that. So these are how you can pick anyone you want. Deposit complete successfully, that they will send a mail to them that your deposit has been completely or successfully. Anyone you want to just come here and enable it, editing, that is all. So, and another thing again, what else do you need to know about this again? Actually, I'm sorry, I should have used my mouse, but I'm not with my mouse there, so that's why. So, any settings, you come here, you want to do any settings. I always forget. I should open it in this. For me too. And if you want to start sending an SMS message, alright, the message will enter on their phone like an SMS. You come here again. You come here and do the settings here. SMS gateway. There's a lot of gateway for SMS. Do the setting here, and before you know it, it's done. So these things are just quite easy. They are very, very easy to use, but in most cases some companies don't use SMS setting because they know how much it will be costing them, so they don't use it. So it depends on you. Why is this thing not loading? And don't forget, I showed you, if you want to change your password and admin, come to this place, change the password, everything you don't like in the site, change it. And once you change it, it's done. That is how to go about it. So I hope you guys are actually enjoying this training. Network is not going. Let me pause this video. Now, if you want to set, if you look at our stuff, is it showing HYP lab, or if you look at it, is it showing for HYP lab? Now you come here, just say you want this, then we set our title stuff. Just say, okay, what is our stuff now to be? Now be deleting. What currency do you want to use? USD. You can put anything, don't use my name, don't use anything. I'm just actually using this for a training sale. I hope you guys are enjoying it. So my name is, one more time again, my name is Michael Sunday, and at the same time I am a student of Ibadan University. I study accounting, and seriously, you guys will actually enjoy this training. And by the grace of God, I'm the CEO of Dleading Web Design, and I do train people on how to design a website. If you actually want to learn how to design a professional business website or any type of website, you can reach out to me on 09035382271. Now, if you want to do this is site title, deleting currency. Which currency do you want to be using? USD. Currency symbol, DZ. Which color? You can change it to any color you want. Any color you want, but I don't usually change this color. I usually go with this. Now, do you want to use that to register? If you want them to register, you said yes. If you don't want, you said no. But I actually want them to register. Now, balance transfer fees charges. How much do I want to be charging them for transfer? Just put $10. This one is different from the one we set up that way. Balance transfer percentage, and put 10 also, or 15. So let me just put 10. So balance transfer, yeah. Sign up bonus. We want to be giving them a bonus for signing up, which means, for example, now when people come to this site and they register, home plan, maybe they come to your website and they click on this sign up and they register. And they register. The bonus to be given to them. Can you see now? Yeah. The bonus to be given to them is this sign up bonus. If you want to be giving them bonus, fine. If you don't want to be giving them bonus, say, I'm not giving you enable sign up bonus. No, I'm not giving you guys. Why? If you want them to be verifying their email, maybe once they register, they will need to go and verify their email. You can enable it, and so if they did not verify their email, it will not go. If you want it, fine. If you don't want it, you click on disable, and if you want it, you click on enable. Can you see? Email notification, do you want it to be notifying them? Enable. If you don't want it, disable. SMS notification, that way by then we send an SMS to them. But these are an additional code which I will not want. You can just leave it like that. Don't worry, don't just leave this one like that. So after that, so after this now, just click on update. And you click on just refresh. So connecting now, it's changed here to deleting. So come back here again, and what else have we not done? We have actually done everything. And my mouse, I need to go and get a mouse. Yeah. Session manage, we've done this. Manage pages, you have done it. Active template, holiday setting, FML setting, SEO, login. If you actually want to use another plugin, you can logos, icon setting, anything you want to set here. If you want to use another plugin, maybe you want people to see your Facebook, whereby they can actually chat you up on Facebook or stuff like that, you can just come here and come and do it here. Maybe you want to see your Google Analytics. You can go to see your Google Analytics, you can do it here. They are very, very easy to do. So that is all the plugin here available for you guys. So I close it, and like you put your logo here. At the same time you come here and put your logo here, which comes. It's easy to do. After setting your logo here, you click on update. That is done, and that is everything. So guys, I've actually said about now subscribers. That you, how many subscribers do you want? As much as possible. Promotion, that how do you want people to promote it? You want people to promote your store? Any method, any method you want them to promote your method. Maybe it is banner, anything you put it here, or something like that. We don't used to do that. We are a professional stuff. We don't need to do that. So that is all about all these things. And once they register, they deposit. They will actually deposit it into your account, into your Bitcoin store, which I told us in your withdrawal plate, in your deposit plate. However, you put your deposit, the withdrawal stuff and the like. I think I show you automatic gateway, whereby once people come here and they will automatically, if they want to use private money will go to your private money account. If they want to use your pay start, because you must put your pay start, secret key and live key and everything. I've teach you how to set it up. If they didn't get any of it, go back to the video again and watch again. And if you have any issue, kindly shout me up. And I've told you that if you want to do the admin setup, if you want to change your password, you can come here and change the password. If you want to change your profile, come here and you will see a lot of things on how to change everything. So guys, this is where I will be stopping my video tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel to be able to have access to this wonderful video. And at the same time, don't forget, if you have any issue, you can reach out to me on 09035382271 or send a mail to me on my mail, which is dleadingtraining@gmail.com. So at the same time again, if you need any help, if you want to learn a skill or anything, you are free to reach out to me at any time. God bless you guys. I love you so much, and I want the best for you. Don't forget, I love you, and I want you to become the best. Now, see you. And yes, that reminds me, at the end of everything, I want you to know that Jesus actually loves you, and he has a very good plan for you. That is me. That is how I used to do. I usually preach Christ at the end of my video. So Jesus loves you, and he has a wonderful plan for you, and he cares much about your life. Now, if you need this script on how to design this site, you can actually shout me up, and I'll be giving you at a discount. But actually, the script costs almost something like 80k, but actually I can just give you at a discount price. Just shout me up, let's talk. And or you can send a message to me on WhatsApp. This is 09035382271, and let's talk. God bless you guys. Have a wonderful day ahead of you.